The hardest part of being a creator is staying consistent. Posting once in a while isn't enough. You need a content every day. But editing videos daily can take too much time, especially if you're doing everything by yourself. ShortBeast AI makes this simple. In just a few clicks, it creates a full short video for you. Script, voiceover, visuals, captions, everything. Instead of spending hours, you can have multiple videos ready in minutes. This means you can finally keep up with the demand of social media and grow faster without burning out. Want to create more content in less time? Use my link in the description and sign up for ShortBeast AI today.